sprint over 100 meters. Tamari Reid, new personal best indoors this year. That will set her in good stead, you would think. Her last 100-meter race, though, was when she won the World Junior Championships in Lima last summer, so that's quite a while, but she's a great talent, the 20-year-old. Kemba Nelson next to her, another Jamaican. In 2022, she ran under 11 seconds 4 times. Now, Jenna Prandini is actually in really good shape at the moment, and Jenna got a late call to come and join the party at Grand Slam. Recently was just under 11.1. Daryll Neita, one of Europe's best, one of Britain's best, has now moved over to be coached in the same group as Noah Lyles. We'll see how that's setting her up. Melissa Jefferson wooden, as she is now. Her last 100-meter race was in the Olympic final. And what a race that was for her to remember. Just tune into that. See if she can reproduce that sort of form here. Tamari Clark. As I mentioned, some of these women will be looking to the 200, like Daryll Neita perhaps. Jenna Prandini's good 200. Tamari Clark can run a good 2 as well. Wants to go well here. And as Anson was mentioning, Jada'Nesha Sears, after bursting onto the scene last year, really, and then sadly missing most of the season with injury, has already started really well this season as well. She said, I'm listening to my coaches more, which is never a bad thing. And then Jodean Williams has had a really transformative 24 and into 25 as well. So Jamaicans in lanes 1 and 2 and in lane 8.
On your marks.
And then we've got Jenna Prandini is in 3, Daryll Neita in 4, Melissa Jefferson Wooden, the Olympic bronze medalist, in 5, Tamari Clark's in 6, Sears in lane 7.
Melissa having that medalist target on her back.
Set.
Right in the middle there, Melissa Jefferson Wooden got an excellent start over on the far side. Nelson going as well, and also Sears is right there, but here she goes. He's going to get a clear win. Prandini came through for 2nd place, but never in doubt. Melissa Jefferson Wooden got out well, got to the front, and then dominated the race from there.
That's scary.
I was just going to say that. Given what I said about how long it's been since she's run a 100-meter race, that was perfectly executed. Prandini finished quick, well done to her. A couple of races that set her up nicely, as we mentioned. Sears just faded a little bit when she looked as though she was going to get on terms. Never, ever a bad thing, you know, for an athlete to be in a happy place.
Right, right. And late addition, Jenna Prandini. You get the call, you're chilling at home, hey, come to Jamaica and jump in this 100. You come here, and you come out with 2nd place, and she's more of a 200-meter specialist. Yep. So she's in great position tomorrow. You get a phone call, hey, I got 100K for you. We all want phone calls like that. But as you can see, Jay just got out really well, and Melissa just held her form. Looking really strong in the latter part of the race. Very confident facial expression moving through the line. I like to keep an eye on the attitude, and I can see that there's a confidence there. And that always bodes well.
That's somebody full of confidence, as you said. Look, even that tape around the neck, she doesn't even flinch.
She probably didn't even feel it.
Just runs through it.
I'm looking forward to her deuce with her finish.
I agree, but with Prandini having run so well there, that's set up brilliantly.
In April 2025, Kingston, Jamaica, welcomed the inaugural event of an ambitious new athletic circuit, Grand Slam Track. Conceived by Olympic icon Michael Johnson, this competition sought to transform traditional track and field by fusing elite-level performance with high-stakes drama and entertainment. Featuring visually striking presentations, city-centered showdowns, and a lucrative prize pool, the series promised a fresh take on sprinting, and its first outing lived up to expectations. One of the day's most eagerly awaited contests was the women's 100 meters, featuring a clash of some of the world's fastest sprinters. The roster boasted top American athletes Melissa Jefferson, Jenna Prandini, Jada'Nesha Sears, and Tamari Clark, alongside Britain's Daryll Neita and Jamaican contenders Kemba Nelson, Ashanti Reid, and Jodean Williams. The atmosphere was electric. LED-lit tracks, cheering spectators, and a broadcast presentation reminiscent of high-profile boxing or NBA playoffs set the stage. Yet as the runners crouched in their blocks, all spectacle faded, leaving only the raw intensity of competition. When the starting gun fired, Melissa Jefferson exploded from the blocks, combining raw power with impeccable technique. Renowned for her aggressive acceleration and formidable top speed, she claimed an immediate lead and held it unchallenged, finishing in 11.11 seconds. While not a personal record, the time secured a decisive win and 12 points in the Grand Slam track standings. More importantly, Jefferson's triumph signaled her resurgence. Following uneven results in 2023 and a subdued 2024 campaign, doubts lingered about her capacity to challenge a rising cohort of elite sprinters. Kingston, however, was a reminder of her former U.S. Championship glory and her status as one of the sport's most thrilling young stars. Trailing her, Jenna Prandini clocked 11.23 for second place, earning 8 points, while Jada'Nesha Sears crossed in 11.25 for third, taking 6 points. Daryll Neita, a veteran with sub-11 potential, finished fourth in 11.33, followed by Jamaica's Kemba Nelson in 11.37. Ashanti Reid, 11.47, Tamari Clark, 11.58, and Jodean Williams, 11.68, completed the lineup. The race underscored both the depth of American sprinting and the head-to-head intensity Grand Slam track aims to cultivate. By capping each event at 8 competitors and awarding points per race, the league incentivizes consistency across its 4 marquee meets: Kingston, Miami, Philadelphia, and Los Angeles. Athletes with the highest point totals in each discipline will walk away with a $100,000 grand prize, raising the stakes of every sprint. For Jefferson, Kingston set the tone for the season. She would later drop her time to a remarkable 10.73 in Philadelphia, but the confident, authoritative performance in Jamaica marked the season's launch. As the series unfolds, all eyes will remain on her, watching to see if she can sustain this form and claim the first-ever Grand Slam track title in the women's short sprints. With every race counting and each position influencing the standings, Grand Slam track has quickly established itself as one of modern track and field's most thrilling innovations. The Kingston opener set the stage for a season of relentless competition, where every hundredth of a second could shift the standings. With Jefferson's dominant start, the Grand Slam track series immediately captured global attention, promising thrilling showdowns in the months ahead.